name is Najma Rani, a teacher at Govt, High School Murtazabad, Hunza. For years we taught in a building vulnerable to disasters. Fear was constant, but so was our determination. I raised my voice, followed up with authorities, and when AKF, NDRMF, and ADB launched the School Safety Initiative, I made sure our school was considered. After assessments, we were selected among 29 schools for retrofitting. Today, our school is safe, inclusive, and welcoming for all students. Enrollment has increased, and parents feel confident. I'm proud of what we achieved, not just a building, but a better future.